I got that fitting how I like it. I've got a bar cut. So my plan is I'm going to weld this steel bar to the other side of this piece of cast iron. Because this is cast iron to steel, I'm going to be using a Renard cast 99. Sometimes they're called cast 99 or nickel 99, but this is a specialty high nickel electrode used for welding cast iron. That's fixed. This slides how it's supposed to now. I was just reading the top and I remember what this is for. When it's in this position, the firebox is right on the other side of the opening. When it's slid into this position, the smoke firebox are directed around the front of the firebox in the warming area, down the side and out to heat up the warming area and the oven. The welds came out okay. That nickel 99 rod in overhead is really hard. I have to get a couple bolts in this to hold it in position, and then I need to figure out how I'm going to build the linkage for that slider. So the linkage basically needs to be an L bracket that comes off that part, takes a bend, comes out that slot, and then runs through that slot, and it'll travel left and right. So I need to try to find a piece of flat bar to use for that. So I found a piece of flat bar. It's not quite as wide as I would like, but it is 1/4 inch thick. So not 100%, but it's pretty darn straight. So right back there, that's the bolt hole. So there's going to be a bolt coming out of that, and then a hole drilled in this. Out there is that offset, should land right on that hole. I think I'll be able to drill the hole and run a bolt through there and then make a couple little tweaks and it'll fit perfect. My link bracket finally installed. I'm happy with how it slides back and forth. I've got my jar of high heat furnace cement. This is the back piece that fits on. This whole thing gets furnace cemented. All these edge has to get furnace cement. So I'm going to butter this up with furnace cement and then I'll put it on.